I'm just going to show my latest version of voice modulator. I've managed to sort of do the dynamic configuration. It's still a bit crude, but basic functionality seems to be working, so I just thought I'll show. So if I just switch it on, it's the top one is the Tinsy. There we go. And oops, still got the direct voice. The top it just shows the dome initially when it comes on, and it shows what the volume setting is. I can change the volume by this right knob here, so it increases the volume. I've got the mic away from my mouth at the moment. This is just drawn once at the beginning and then it gets erased. It's just for test purposes, so just ignore that for the moment. Let's bring the microphone in. So this is the standard exterminate settings. So the knob on the left, single press is for gun as normal, but if I do a long press, which is about 3 seconds, and then we get the configuration menu. So the left button again, if you click it, it goes to the value, and then if you rotate it, you can increase or decrease the value. It's a bit flickery, but all this can be cleaned up. So anyway, just ignore that. Come back down here, that way. So on the frequency, click that, and then if it's take the frequency down, because I think that's the only one that notice. I don't know if it's changed because my hearing is pretty bad. So you can, as you change it, the settings take effect straight away, so you can see what it's like at that value. Yeah, so that's it. And then if you decide you don't want it, if you just do a normal click, it restores the original value that was there. But if you do a long press on the left rotary for 3 seconds, it will then save that, and that becomes the actual value. So anyway, the interesting thing on here, this is just some of the configuration, there'll be more later, but I just, because this topic's just come up again on Project Dalek about deep voice, so I was playing with the granular effect again. So if we put this on here, if I go up, then the voice becomes pinky and perky. But then if I bring it back down, let's go down. So 1 is normal, so that's back to normal. And then if I drop it, here we go, the voice is starting to get quite deep. Exterminate. Well, my voice is not brilliant, but it's pretty deep. Let's go down. The lowest you can go is 0.125, which is something octaves, 3 octaves or so. Let's have a look. So my voice, you can't it's not going, is it? Let's go back up a bit. Ha ha ha. Hello, deep. So you can get a deep voice. Let's just do that. So that should, but it looks like for that one, I'm not resetting back to what it was originally. So that's weird because it uses the same objects as the other. So I need to check that. The pitch, I haven't even tried that yet. I'm not sure what that. So the pitch shifting is the amount of time in milliseconds or something. I don't know. But this is basically just to show. Let's go back to normal. There's nothing really to see there. But a little bit more work. It's the start of something anyway. And the fact with the Bluetooth work I've done on the Dome controller, I've moved this across. I can read the settings, save it to file. I can pre-program it to different profiles. So yeah, it's coming along. Just need the hands-free, which is 90% there. So the hands-free profile, so you can use Bluetooth headphones for remote operator to talk to the person in the Dalek. So anyway, that's it folks, hope you like it.